So hello my beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Yes, so in today's video we're going to crack the March month energy, and I'm going to try my best to convey the energy to you guys, so stay tuned with me. So yes, in today's tarot card spread, I'm going to use the Archangel Power tarot cards. I've been recently really connecting to this. Yeah, it can be a sign that you must be seeing a lot of angel numbers, and a lot of angel numbers, you must be connecting a lot with the universe must be giving you a lot of signs. Yes, so that is the message I have for you. First, straightforward. Yes, so let's get into the deck and see what are the messages that we have. So in this spread you have like different like Michael represents your cups. Yeah, so you have different like that. So I'm gonna read out to you guys as we go. Yes, and I'm gonna convey the energy to you guys, so stick along with me. Okay, so in this I'm gonna tell you guys, this is other day I shot for a video. Yes, and I think in one of my videos I opened this, I unboxed this, and I used in my in my tarot spread. So I think you must have seen this deck already. Yes, if you are a regular watcher of my channel. Yes, so in this, your Gabriel is your swords, your Raphael, Archangel Raphael is your wands, your Michael is your cups, and your Ariel is your pentacles. So any card that I get, I'm gonna associate with a traditional meaning. Yes, and I have a surprise element which I'm gonna show you guys, so stick along with me. So firstly, we're gonna give this a shuffle. Yes, so that I can convey messages through you guys through this video for the month of. So yes, we're gonna decode the energy of March. Yes, and like I said, there is a surprise element. I think you guys are gonna love it, and it's the launch in my channel for both my channels. I achieved the silver play button, and my Instagram, I'm about to hit 1 million. I won Woman of the Year award from Her Story Times and from Indian Women History Museum, which is in Jaipur. Yes, and I was shocked when they contacted me. Yeah, and they are like, we are honoring you with this award. I'm like, where did you guys see me? When did you guys follow me? What is happening? So yeah, so on 3rd I got from Her Story Times. On 6th January I got from from Indian History Museum. Yes, Women History Museum. And on for the March 8th I again won an award. I am like, I don't have space to put these awards, dude. Yes, so a lot of positivity for my Divine Feminine clan. Yes, yeah, so we're gonna pick one card from this, and I have a surprise element. I think you guys are gonna love it. So henceforth, that is the next step of my channel, because we're gonna hit 500k. Yes, by the time my birthday comes, I want to hit 500k. Yes, in the month of November, or at least December. Yes, so let's go. I'm manifesting M for money, M for money, M for March. M for March is all about M for money, M for manifestation, M for what else do you have with M? Yes, maybe your twin's name is with M. Yeah, so I feel that. Yes, so yeah, M for money, manifestation. What else do we have, dude? Yeah, so we're gonna figure out that. Yes, so yeah, M for Michael, Archangel Michael. Yes, so yeah, so spirits, give me the first card. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I felt M for Michael. So Ace of Michael is nothing but Ace of Cups. So I feel March very strongly, because here we're tapping into March energy, which is a strong, water sign. We have the month of Pisces. Yes, Ace of Cups to me is, I'm associating with the zodiac Pisces very strongly. Many of you may be having, Pisces placement in your chart. For example, my Jupiter aspects the house of Pisces. So, everybody, for many of you, if you go by Scorpio ascendant, your 5th house is ruled by, Pisces, which is the house of love. So like that, you have many, strong placement of Pisces. Always remember that to, feel love or feel compassionate, it's very important for you to have your water placement, which is your Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Yes, to me, Ace of Michael here, it's like shining in gold armor. Yes, a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problems with others. So I feel like, you're trying to suppress your feelings. I feel this strongly for the Divine Feminine, that you're trying to suppress your feelings. I think there should be an outburst. Yes, you should let love walk in. I feel like, because everybody asked me that, everybody knew the connection that I have with my twin flame, but everybody asked me that, Deepa, how you generated, this love or, this depth, that I have for my soulmate. So straightforward, when I saw my soulmate, or when I started talking to him, I felt this pull, I felt this love, I felt this attraction. So I'm not asking you guys to quit your twin flame. See, I always said that I'm open to the idea of love, and never stop loving just because things are not working out with your twin flame. Yes, okay, so that's my first card. Now I'm gonna introduce you to you guys what is the surprise element today. So if you're following me on my Instagram, what is the, additional, I think you already know about this. So what happened is, whenever I achieve any milestone, yes, whenever I achieve any milestone in my life, or in, for example, like I hit 100k on also my other channel. If you see me, I don't display my silver play button anywhere, even if it's been a 1.5 year that I've achieved for my tarot channel. It's almost about 250k now. Yes, so almost 260k my tarot channel. I was very specific that I am going to display my silver play button when I achieve the silver play button of my other channel, which is my Deepa Sri channel, because that channel I started in the year 2013, but I vigorously started when I was working in Deloitte in the year 2016. Yes, so that channel is very strongly associated to me. This is like my second channel. That was my main channel, and I promoted so many brands through that. But whatever happened in my twin flame journey and the turmoil that I went through few years, I quit completely. I quit everything. I quit, I started staying at home, and I locked myself in my home and all of that. So for me, it was very important that I achieved my silver play even in that. And if you see now, that channel is like 120k. Yeah, so many people connect to me even in that my fashion channel. Yes, so for me, I put a condition that I'm gonna display my silver play button when I get the silver play button of my other channel, because that is the first baby which is very close to me. Yes, I got introduced to the field of YouTube with that. So even if a lot of fame I achieved through my tarot channel, so I feel like I had this condition that I want for that also. Yes. So yes, based on this condition, yes, whenever I achieve something, I gift myself something, like any wish that I had. Yes. So the one thing, and I'm a gadget freak, because I have my engineering in computer science, and I am a hardcore gadget freak because I do a lot of editing and all of that. Yes. So I had to gift myself this. So this is a gift to myself for both my silver play and both, even if I got my silver play last year for my tarot channel, this year I got for it's strange because in January 2024 I got for my tarot channel, and I need to say I hit in November 2023, but by the time the silver play came, so the first silver play was given by, I'm going to show you I think in my next video. Yes, the first silver play was given by YouTube Singapore, and my second silver play, this silver play was given by YouTube USA. So it came all the way from US. Yes, it came in Dubai. I cleared the customs. I gave my KYC and all of that. It's a process. It doesn't come to you just like that. Yes. So anybody on YouTube platform understand this. Yes. So any milestone I achieve, I gift myself something. Yes, because I feel like I deserve it. So this kind of appreciation, I feel like you need to give yourself. You need to pamper yourself. Yes. So to me, Ace of Cups talks about that. Is, are you pampering yourself? Go buy anything you want, any dress you want, any perfume you want, any cosmetic you want, anything. For me, I'm a gadget freak because I'm always in social media. For me, it's important I have the right gadgets. Yes, to make more videos and connect with you guys. Yes. So the star of the hero of the today's video. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys. It's here with me. Yes. Okay, enough talking. Yes, the star of the hero is, my LG stand by me. Yes, I'm gonna move aside so that I can show you guys this. Yes, so this is the one. Oh my god, this is my baby. This is my baby. So this is my LG stand by me. It's on wheels. It comes with me anywhere I take and go. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys a little bit back so that I can see. So this is the one you can see. Yes, it's so pretty, and I'll tell you, this launched in India last year. I wanted to buy this last year, but sadly I couldn't because I was constantly traveling to Europe, so it was not budget friendly. Yes, but this year the price went down and I hogged up on this. Yesterday the technician came, he fixed it. I wrote a appreciation to LG as well. Yes, I just love this. It's bomb. Like, it moves everywhere. I'm so impressed. Like, I can watch all my shows. I can watch I think I need to show you guys my channel, how beautiful it looks. For example, yes, I'm gonna show you guys. Just type Divine. It's touch screen, dude, and oh my god, just look. This is Deepa. See the volume. I think the volume is very high. See, you can see how beautiful it is. Yes. So yeah, so this is my channel. My channel looks bomb on this. I wanted to show you guys. Yes, so just see. So this is me. So my nephew really loved this as well. I think whoever saw this, they just loved it. Yes. So yeah. So what was the purpose? I'm gonna show you guys. So what actually it comes with a remote as well. Yeah. So what I am planning with this on my channel. Yes. So yes, what I'm planning with this, I'm gonna tell you guys. Dude, I'm so attached to it that I didn't remove the sticker also. Nahi nikalna. Are you that divine feminine who's too attached to? This is not good, dude. Attaching yourself to worldly things, Deepa, अच्छा नहीं है. लेकिन मुझे चाहिए भाई. Anyway, yeah. So this sticker abhi nahi nikalna. Are you that divine feminine who's associated with sticker nahi nikalna, cover nahi nikalna? Yeah. So anyway, okay. So I'm gonna tell you guys what it has. Okay. So it's on charging right now. I think it's on 58 amp. Yeah, the charger, dude, it's the charger. The only thing the charger, like, I wish it was more longer. It lasts for 3 hours, but obviously because it depends on how much brightness you do and all that. Acha, shut up. Yeah. So anyway, let me go to this. So what am I planning with this? So I have so many tarot cards. Yes. Let me just move this a little bit. So I have so many tarot card decks. I almost have 30-40. So now I'm like, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. I have so many tarot cards that I don't need to buy anymore. I can decode energy, with or without tarot cards. Yeah. So I am like, I came up with this idea. The minute I saw this on sale, I was like, I need to get it. So what I am, expecting with this is, you're gonna see me pick, with these. It's a platform that, you can pick tarot cards live. Yes. And it's a digital platform, and I wanted to, because it's so big screen, even you guys can see as well. I can use this tarot cards as well. So yeah, so you can see this. It's the deck here. So when I click this, it's gonna shuffle the cards and I'm gonna pick live. So for any of you, for example, I was talking about Michael and then Ace of Michael came up. So if you feel that it's not true, or you want to live see or how it comes and all of that, I feel like the card is the show. Like the card, which card, for example, 10 of Cups comes. So irrespective of the deck, 10 of Cups has a typical meaning. Yeah. So I can, let me show you guys. See, can you see this deck? Yeah. So I can, for example, spread this and it says select 6 cards here. Yeah. And what's the main thing is, this has your major arcana. Yeah. So like this, I want to go digital, which is gonna save space. Yes. And you can see live as I pick, and I can connect to you guys. I can tell the energy. Yes. So I can also use my tarot cards and all of that. So this is what you would see on my channel henceforth. You're gonna see me pick these cards. Yes. Anyway, people generally connect when I am in the video. I've tried to do, offline on the camera. I've tried to do, many types. Yeah. I feel like a video has an impact when people see me, talk to me, they connect to me, when it's like a face-to-face reading. Yeah. So what, for example, we got Ace of Cups, right? So what is next? Yeah. So I am going to, this is, let me tell you what it is written here. So this deck is shuffled 10 times. Okay. So for example, I'm randomly just going to choose one card. Okay. So in this, it's a spread. It's on a spread. For example, randomly, I'm just choosing 6 cards. Yeah. And yeah, it's obviously going to give a reading, but it's going to pick, it's going to show all the cards that we have. For example, we started with the Magician. Okay. So the first card that we got here is the Magician. I think you can see this. Yeah. So, what is Magician? And I'm going to read out to you here, and I'm also going to give you the meaning. Yes. So here we have how you feel about yourself. The Magician. You feel a sense of purpose and willpower to get things done. Self-empowerment is the key word here. Yeah. You feel that you have the ability to think on your feet, face the opposition, the appearance of the Magician, and is the excellent omen for success. Time to believe in yourself and go for it. Okay. So I'm just going to push this a little side and I'm going to tell you guys. Yes. So, okay. So remember that Ace of Cups here, yeah, is followed by, I think I need to put it this side, but then again it's gonna get tricky. I need it on my right handle. Yeah. Okay. So Ace of Cups is followed by the Magician. What does Magician represent? So M for Magician as well. Yes. So now can you see the M energy, or someone typically their twin flames name starts with M. Yeah. So yeah. So we have M for Michael, we have M for Magician. Yes. So Magician, like it's written here, it's a good omen for success. So what is March all about? You would see a self-empowerment, a self-satisfaction, and divine feminines. I feel that within yourself. Like I was connecting and telling you guys, it is time to love yourself. And I remember that how much you put in yourself. That is why it is said, in this journey, the main word is self-love. And let me tell you, when I, invested in myself, self-love, to me automatically, there was an improvement spiritually in my divine masculine side. He grew, and there was inner unions which we achieved and all of that. Like that, yes, whenever I rose up, whenever I invested. So yeah, so like I said, how I was telling that it's time to connect and time to invest. That is why this journey is called self-love. Yeah, how much you put in yourself, how much you fill your cup. And here remember that you have to still be empathetic. Like I said, your journey to a sacred divine feminine should still be there. Yes. So that is all about that. Now before I get into the card 2, here I'm gonna pick another card here. So we have the King of Raphael. What is King of Raphael? Is your King of Wands. So seeing you invest in yourself, I feel like your person right now is in a high admiration for you, and I feel like the admiration towards you, or this hots for you. Oh my god, I'm hearing that. Okay, hots for you, divine feminine. Your person's this quality is being seen by everyone. Yeah, King of Wands. And I'm gonna read out here before that. Yes, it's safe to trust. the ability to accomplish many things at once, follow your creative passion. Yes, so King of Wands here strongly is associated with Raphael. Raphael in generally, you know, in some you will see that it's a woman, yeah. And like I said, the feminine spirit and passion in you, I feel like your person is really passionate towards you. And whoever is watching this video, I feel like your divine feminine is very driven to pursue you, because King of Wands to me is the drive, yeah. So I think I'm not gonna give up. I'm hearing that. So yes, so I feel like that quality came in him is because your person has seen you grow and show this path of individuality. So your individuality, my divine feminines, I feel like right now your individuality is the start of the show. Yes, and for some of you, your person is really attracted to you. Oh my god, I've seen that in Vishu. Yeah. So never, you know, I feel like all the divine feminines push their divine masculine away. And I feel like I have not done that. And I feel like the best tip that I would give you is be open to your, you know, the changes that you see in your divine masculine. Yeah, so it is like, you know, patting and pampering, like, you know, wow, keep going and all of that. That kind of assurance in this journey, you have this telepathy. Yeah, so, you know, take benefit of that. And I feel like here your divine masculine, whatever trying, I'm also feeling like with King of Wands is like, even if it's not a communication, it's not a sword energy, but I feel it very strongly. Yeah, that the communication between you guys is very strong right now, because obviously it's the month of Pisces, which is all about love. Yeah, so we're gonna go in the next card here. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this here. It's on charging. Sadly, I forgot to charge this. Yeah, so okay, I think if you just see the card, you would get. I'm still figuring out the best angle. Okay, so the next card that we have here is the Hermit. What do you want most right now? The Hermit. The Hermit here suggests that what you want most at this time is know what to do. Well, companionship or a lover if you feel somewhat lonely or isolated at the moment. Perhaps you are feeling exhausted, need for rest. Okay, time for rest. Okay, fine. So the first thing that I'm associated with the Hermit is the card number 9. So it is number 9. So what does 9 talk about? So 9 is typically nothing but a completion, a cycle completion. Yes. So I am here feeling that, you know, there is an end, and this year talks about that because it's an year of Mars, the number 9. So I am feeling this Hermit very strongly with your divine masculine. So I feel like, so I'm associating this Hermit right here with, you know, your divine masculine. Yeah, so I'm really loving this idea. I can show it in iPad as well, but you know, you would not have this effect that it has now. Okay, so Hermit to me is, you know, somebody that came out of you know that spiritual awakening and, you know, spiritual blasting from universe. So I'm seeing here for all my divine feminines, you know, who are on still the path of sexual union, inner union, there is a major cycle completion in your divine masculine's life. And let me tell you, your all prayers and everything has helped. Yes. So moving on, what do we have? I'm just gonna, you know, move this. Yeah, you can see. Okay, right. Oh, this is very good actually. Yeah. So what do we have next is the World. Yeah, you can see here the woman, you know, in a purple dress is, you know, in the relation. I'm seeing a lot of gold of lately, and you can see, you know, my gold from my skin is also reflecting so much. Yeah, so the gold aura is very strong. Yes. Yeah, so something to do with gold. Yeah, and I feel like the World, for some of you, I'll tell you a strange thing. Let me just read out this card to you guys, and I'm gonna tell you the World. Yeah, you are afraid of taking action, lack confidence and willpower, but this time be positive and proactive to prevent loss of momentum. Completion and success are only a step away. Okay, don't give up, lose heart or change direction. So I feel like this is very strongly for your divine masculine. Yes, your divine masculine is finally gathering that courage to come forward and express. Like I said, this is the year of King of Wands. It is the year of King of Raphael because it is number 9. Mars is right here, which is all about action, energy, confidence. Yes. So I feel like all this, if you're divine masculine. So yeah, so like I said, the purple energy is your anti-empress energy. So all these fears and all of that, your divine masculine was battling, you know, to this purple energy. I feel like, you know, there is a shift in his energy and there is a lot of confidence. Yes. And this hermit, to me, there is this mountain. Wait, I'm just going to show you guys. There is this mountain that this man is on, and there is this black robe. I'm going to figure out to show you guys next time in the better way. I think I can put a photo right here. I'm going to put a photo of this, I think, in the, you know, maybe in the comments. Yes, so that you can see. Yeah, photo of each card for you to associate. Let me see if, you know, you can put a photo comment so that you can see this card from here and associate. To me, this is giving the journey of, you know, when Yudhishthir, that is your Dharmaraj, decided to, you know, leave all the earthly things after the war of Kurukshetra. It was 36 years after, again a number 9. He decided to quit, yeah, the earthly things. He with his brothers, Pandavas, they go on Himalayas. And so I want you guys to watch that story. I'm associating this hermit with that. Yeah. So I feel like your person that was in that arrogance, egoistic thing, that is definitely a break. Yeah. And let me tell you, any significant change which you see in, you know, any what do you say, any significant change you see emotionally or in a person, it will be a water sign mainly. Yeah, that is why death card is associated with a Scorpion. You will have a Pisces season or a Cancer season or a Scorpio season going on when you will see a significant change in your divine masculine. Yes. So yes, so yeah. So to me, the world here talks about someone who has overcome his self-confidence, you know, overcome his self-doubts and towards the path of self-confidence. Okay, so one more energy. I'm seeing a lot of gold today. I am myself being the gold aura. I feel like for some of you, your divine masculine is watching me. Yeah, is watching my channel. Yeah, that is the energy which I feel with, you know, all these cards as well, because there's a lot of gold. And what does Ace of Michael represent? Michael is like, you know, he's very strongly associated with communication. So for some of you, your divine masculine somehow is dragged to my channel, I feel like. Yeah, so I feel like he's watching, you know, my content, trying to understand. And generally when you type twin flame, my channel pops up, you know, like that. Many divine feminines came watch my channel. Yes. So I feel like your divine masculine, for some of you, it's a very strong message. Your divine masculine is watching me. Feel that with the gold, with all the gold. Okay. So what is the next card? So the next card we have right here. I picked the card here also. We have, oh my God, we have King and Queen of Wands. Okay. So for some of you, red aura, the first color that I felt was red. So yeah, there is something specific to a red aura person in your life. I feel that an aura. Yes. So for example, for me, it's my soulmate. Yes. So let's see here. Okay. So we have here the Lovers card. Okay. So the Lovers, wait. The Lovers, new love and commitment will enter. Yeah. So when your person, let me tell you, oh my God, when your person comes out of this energy, the world and, you know, the hermit, he is seeing you in a new light. Yes. So he is seeing you in a light never seen before. Yeah. So I'm getting that energy. Yes. So for some of you with the Lovers, I also, because we got your King and Queen of Wands, I feel like your divine masculine parents also watch you. So for me example, it is like they watch my channel maybe. Yes. And let me tell you, even my soulmates parents watch my channel. So there is this connection. Yeah. So don't think that, you know, your divine masculine needs to be only to your twin flame, to my people all on soulmate journey as well. Yes. So I have seen how a red aura, let me tell you, I understand why, you know, Anushka connects so much with Virat, because Virat is a Scorpion and a red aura. Oh my God, that is a bomb combination. Like, that's one of the quickest. I feel like the red aura, and let me tell you, red aura, I am still contemplating which is the best divine masculine aura. Is it red aura or the blue aura? Sadly, white aura does not fall in that. I have suffered like crazy with my first soulmate. Yeah, it was a turmoil. Yes. So I feel I am still contemplating. Yes. I think if I make a video that divine masculine red aura is the best aura, I think I'm gonna get blasting from me. Anyway, yeah, so I'm still contemplating. It's still, you know, a point of discussion. So I'm gonna take time with that. I'm gonna take time with that, yes. So anyway, that's the quickest. So if your divine masculine is a red aura, oh my god, that is sone pe suhaga, yeah. So it is a miracle, yes. It's so good. A divine masculine and a red aura, oh my god, it's a bomb combination. It's like, you have to just sit. It's like your man is the man, yes. So that is a bomb combination, yes. So for some of you, I'm feeling you like your divine masculine parents have a watch on you, yes. So yes, so the parents also have watch on you. ये तो बहुत आता है भाई. It comes a lot on my channel, yes. So moving on, I feel like your divine masculine's parents have also seen a transformation in your divine masculine, yes. So that also I feel with the hermit and the world, okay. So moving on, the lovers, okay. Then we have the hangman, yeah. So a little bit, to me, the hangman here is, I feel like your divine masculine is a little bit, if he's stuck in a third party, he's in a hangman situation with this, because he doesn't know, and I feel like there is a lack of clarity, yeah. So we have here hangman, you're allowing yourself to be victimized, emotionally blackmailed, like that. I feel like this is a burden. To me, this hangman is a burden. So I feel like your person is a little bit burdened right now with the third party, yeah, and he has no clue what to do, because here I am, the last card that we have is the Fool. Open your mind and soul to new responsibility. Yes, it is a time to realize your full potential and follow your instincts, and don't be too impulsive. So you can see here, there is this, the Fool here is associated strong with a female. So little bit, what does the hangman followed by the Fool here represent? Your divine masculine is waiting for things to little bit change, maybe. I feel there is a lack of clarity in 3D, yes. So let me tell you, your person in inner self knows what he wants, but there is still a lack of clarity in 3D. So let's see how this energy would turn up in the upcoming videos. Okay, so now we are done. We are gonna move this, okay, yeah. So that is the energy, yes, which is strongly associate. Stay tuned. So stay tuned. In this, you can also change the tarot card deck. Like you can go for different, like you can go for Red White. There are many tarot decks, yes. So for example, I changed it to Red White right now. So the same spread, you can choose many tarot cards. So yes, so stay tuned with me. I'm gonna pick more cards and research on more websites, and if I can check out any subscription, I'm gonna check out. Yes, I'm gonna see the best way to show you guys. I think this is fine. I can just show you, yeah, and I can put the pictures of the photos of the cards later in the in my comments and all of that, yeah, photo tag it or whatever, yes. So yeah, so stay tuned, okay. So we're gonna pick a last card in this spread. Peace. Oh my god, Archangel Azrael, release the past. There is more enriching future coming. Let go and let God in. Peace. Number 13. It is the card of death card. No wonder I told you that I feel a very strong water card energy. So we have the card of peace. So you know that whenever you get a tower, you get a devil, or you get a death card, it's very major significant change. So your person here has really completed a cycle, and I'm gonna tell you, stay tuned for my title of the video. Stay tuned with me for more such content. Yes, I'm gonna show you more tarot decks, explore more. We're gonna use this tarot deck again in the next video, so stay tuned with me. So yes, my lovelies, yes, so that was a short sweet video. I don't think it was short, yeah. So anyway, let me know what do you guys think and what have you learned from this video. Yes, so until then, my lovelies, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.